Okay, 70 to 100 magma 3H shot through a P-trap. Excuse all the dust in the pot, that's just from cutting. There's a junction just there to the right. Popping around a beautiful bend. That's another junction. Another awesome bend. Ooh, there's the earthenware P-trap coming through absolutely perfect. That is superb. And coming up and finishing out of the shower.